myself Kushal. I'm 23 years old. I'm from Rajajinagar, and the reason is I got my PCL surgery before 3 months because I was met with an accident. So that I consulted doctor right away. They told me not to go for surgery because of my age, and I was into the sports career. So that I was in a pain for so many years. After that, I was about to go for surgery, or I was getting nervous because of my pain. So that I finally got recommended for Dr. Vinay Kumaraswamy, which is in Fortis Rajajinagar. So that there was no confidence left in me because of the pain. After I met with an doctor, Vinay Kumaraswamy, I got my confidence back because of his talks itself. After that, he highly recommended for a quick surgery because of my unbearable pain. So that I got my knee surgery after 3 months. I am able to walk properly, and I am able to run now. So that I was not able to swimming back then. I am able to swim now. So that big thanks for Dr. Vinay Kumaraswamy. I got admitted before 1 day. The facilities was very good in Fortis Rajajinagar. The nurses were good for me, and all the staffs of Fortis was good for me. They were all smiling every time. I would highly recommend for Fortis Rajajinagar because of every staffs are very good. Dr. Vinay Kumaraswamy is very good because I was asking so much questions, so that he was very peaceful, and he was a very good doctor. And thank you for the surgery, and thank you for my good health. Thank you, Fortis Rajajinagar. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dr. Vinay Kumaraswamy. I am an orthopedic surgeon. I specialize in arthroscopy and joint replacements. I work at Fortis Hospital, Rajajinagar. Today we'll discuss about a patient Kushal who had a PCL tear, and because of the PCL tear his knee functions were grossly deranged. He was not able to walk properly, and he underwent a PCL, arthroscopic PCL reconstruction surgery. After that he's become much better now, and he's back to his normal day-to-day activities as well as his sports activities. This is a model of the knee joint. It has the thigh bone or the femur and the leg bone or the tibia. What connects the two bones is called the ligament. This is the ACL, the ligament in the front, and this is the PCL, the ligament on the back. PCL is the strongest ligament in the body, in the knee joint, and Kushal didn't have a PCL. He had an injury because of which his PCL was torn, and while climbing stairs he had problem, while running he had an issue, he had pain, even day-to-day activities were painful. So we decided to do a PCL reconstruction for him after going through his MRI, and it was an arthroscopic PCL reconstruction. Now it is 3 months after the surgery, and he's doing very well. Thank you.